Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to construct another triangle whose two sides are given and one angle is given. So this is the question. Construct the triangle DEF such that DE equal to 5 cm, DF 3 cm and angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start our construction. So as you know that first of all we have to note down the given informations at one corner of the page. So here let us draw the given informations separately. Suppose here given D equal to 5 cm. So let us draw D equal to 5 cm, DF equal to 3 cm, DF 3 cm and angle EDF is given 90 degree. So angle EDF is given 90 degree. Let us level those two line segments also. This is D, E, this is D and F. The DE its line measurement is 5 cm and the DF is 3 cm. Okay, so these are the informations given for our construction. So now students, let's draw the final construction. So what we do, first of all we draw a line segment whose length is bigger than DE, 5 cm. So roughly let us draw a line segment which is bigger than DE. So easily you can see the measurement of this line segment is bigger than this line segment. Okay, so now what we will do, we will cut the length of DE which is 5 cm from here. So let us take the measurement D and extend this side over here and give an arc like this. Okay, and using the same measurement let us put it over here and cut it. Okay, so if this is DE, so the name of this point will be D and the name of this point will be E. Okay, now students, what we will do, the other segment is given DF 3 cm and angle EDF is 90 degree. Here we have drawn D and E. Now the question is, after constructing this DE over here, what we are going to draw in this construction? Shall we cut DF? Because if we cut DF over here, if we cut DF over here, then where will be the F point? We will not get the F point sufficiently. So first of all, instead of drawing this DF, let us draw the angle 90 degree. Okay, and can you tell me at which point, at D or at E, at which point we will draw 90 degree? Yes, you can understand looking at the name of this angle. Here it is given angle EDF. So here D is the vertex of the angle EDF. D is the vertex. So at which point we will draw 90 degree? We will draw 90 degree at the point D. Okay, so let us draw 90 degree now. So for 90 degree we will take a considerable radius, a considerable gap in the compass, and once you start drawing this 90 degree at this point, please do not disturb the gap in this compass. Okay, the measurement with which you start your construction of 90 degree, please do not disturb this gap. Okay, all right, so now let us draw 90 degree angle. So put the needle at this point D, then draw this arc, then using the same measurement put the needle at this point, cut this arc, and again putting the needle at this point. You have to cut two arcs, one arc is here and another arc is here. Okay, and finally one more arc is needed to draw the last arc for 90 degree angle. We put the needle at this point of intersection. Okay, so let us put it here and cut the previous arc. So this is the point of intersection of these two arcs, and this will give our 90 degree angle if you join the point D and this point of intersection of these two arcs. Okay, so let us join them. So point D and this point. Okay, so student, easily you can see this is a 90 degree angle. If you check with protractor, then let us see how much is it coming. Yes, it is exactly coming 90 degree. Okay, so now the next thing is we have to take the measurement of DF, which is 3 centimeter. So let us take the measurement of DF again in the compass. So put the needle over here and adjust the measurement of DF in the compass. Take the gap and give the small arc over here, and since this is DF, now tell me at which point we will place the needle, at D or E? Obviously at D, because we have taken the measurement of DF and we cut it over here. Again I am showing we cut it over here. So this is the point, this is the point whose name is F. So this is the point F. Now to get the complete triangle, what is the last step we have to do? We will just join the points E and F. So E and F and extend like this. Okay, so this is our desired triangle DEF. DEF. Okay, here D is 90 degree, the length of DE is 5 centimeter and the length of DF is 3 centimeter. Okay, and finally we will draw the statement. Therefore triangle DEF is the required triangle whose DE equal to 5 centimeter, DF equal to 3 centimeter, and angle EDF equal to 90 degree. Okay, so finish. And easily you are understanding, students, that this construction is based on which axiom? If you check the informations carefully, easily you will understand. Let us look at this construction. So DF, this side is given, this angle is given, and one more side is given. So side, angle, side. So this is our axiom, which is side angle side. Okay, so here it is done.